The Public Health Engineering Department, Government of Meghalaya, yesterday observed the World Water Day 2024 at Usosotham Auditorium, Shillong, under the theme Water for Peace. Speaking at the program as chief guest, DP Watlang Chief Secretary emphasized the profound significance of water in our lives and its role in fostering peace and prosperity. The theme for this year, Water for Peace, urges everyone to recognize the vital importance of water in promoting cooperation, harmony and sustainable development. He highlighted Jal Jeevan Mission's crucial role in providing access to clean drinking water for all. The Office of PHE Mairang also celebrated the World Water Day at Madan Mot Tirot Singh Mission as to aware the people and students about the importance of water and to sustainably safeguard the water sources.
We are called upon to reflect on the profound significance of water in our lives and its role as a catalyst for peace and prosperity. This year's theme, Water for Peace, resonates very deeply with all of us, urging us to recognize the vital importance of water in fostering cooperation, harmony, and sustainable development. We will delve into the relevance of this theme, particularly in the context of Meghalaya, and explore how initiatives like the Jal Jeevan Mission, that is JJM, are instrumental in ensuring access to clean water for all of us.
Members of the Green